Well, you're getting your money's worth. I wasn't even planning on doing anything over here. See this little flapper here? It's got this piece, you can unscrew it a little bit. And I got the same thing down here at the bottom. Now, why is that? Well, because behind the door, there's a couch, okay? So if we open that door, it's gonna hit the couch, I'll bet. See? That's because these brackets aren't adjusted properly. And let's just see if I can't get that. Get you back here far enough. And so I'm gonna unscrew, or I'm gonna screw it out so it won't allow the door to come out as far. And I'm gonna eyeball that about the same amount at the top and bottom. Okay, now I'm going to close or open the door. See there? It doesn't hit now, it kind of springs. Now I want it a little bit closer to here, so I'm going to take the thread. You see this thing here? Right here. I'm going to, this part here, I'm going to make longer. Okay. About like that. And then this one here, I'm going to make about the same. Okay, see how it's longer? Now that opens the door up a little bit further. Okay, that's how you do those things. Now on this couch, it's not that big of a deal because it's not like a piece of furniture. It's not hurting anything. But you see, that's what happens. Right like that. That's exactly where it needs to be adjusted. I like that. And I'm just going to look at this and see if the thread amount is the same, and it looks almost to be the same. Because if one is off way further than the other, you want to try to line those up. I'm not going to get a tape measure out or anything. I'm liking that. Okay. Oh, be careful with this door. Close it, lock it, and I've got to fix that next time I'm here. So what's on the agenda next time? Well, I'll show you how to fix this door. See that? I'll show you how to fix that. We've got to do some work on this hinge, and if that doesn't do it all the way, I may have to suck the hinge location over by taking it out. Hey, I'll show you later. Just keep watching my channel.